Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of What's in My Kit. My name's Amia Serrano and I'm a fashion stylist. If you're new to this series, so pretty much I share everything that's in my kit so you can start building your own. And I also have an Amazon storefront that includes everything I'm sharing that is exactly it or similar to, so you can easily shop from there. In today's episode, I'm sharing makeup masks. Now, what makeup masks are: a face cover for talent when they have makeup on so it doesn't get on the wardrobe. Ones I have here, I have in a cute little plastic pouch that actually came with my set bag. I'll be sharing that later on down the road in a What's in My Kit episode. This pouch is actually for, I think, tissues. I use these for the face covers because the face covers come in like a really, not a big box, but it's like just too big to have in my kit or in my set bag. So I take them out and I put a few in here at a time as I need to refill. They come in, I think, 50 to 100 count, depending on how much you shoot or how many people are shooting when you shoot. Depends on how often you're gonna have to stock up on this. I say the more the better because you just never know. And they actually look like this. They're very light, feathery, stretchable. So it looks like a shower cap, but it's not a shower cap. It's pretty much a shower cap for your face. I will show you. I'll show you from the side. So you start by grabbing it onto your chin and then just over your head like that. You know, it's like some American Horror Story stuff. Very androgynous. This is how it looks. It doesn't ruin the makeup, but as you're putting on and off the clothes, it doesn't get makeup around the neckline, which is a plus for a stylist. I usually let talent keep this because they can reuse this a few times before having to throw it out. It's like pasty. These are similar with using them multiple times. These are a major must for your kit as a stylist. We don't want any makeup on wardrobe. You can now shop these makeup masks on my Amazon storefront at the Shop What's in My Kit link on my channel. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for more.